In northern China, we use a lot of potatoes. Today, I'm going to show you one of the dishes. It's potato pancakes. Look at these, delicious. Now let's make pancakes. First, we put potatoes, add carrots, then green onions, and eggs. Then we're gonna mix them very well. Next, we add sauce, flour and starch, and mix again. So now we're ready to cook. First, we're gonna add oil in the pan, swirl. Now the pan is hot. Let's add some mixture into the pan, make a pancake shape, and fry both sides until golden brown. So now we're done with these delicious potato pancakes. So you can use like these stir-fry sauce, just drizzle a little bit on top. Or you can use yum yum sauce. It depends which one you like, what flavor you like. So let's give it a try. Delicious. So simple.
You can find Ying's Kitchen sauces with recipes right on the bottle at many local grocery stores. Go to yingskitchen.com for locations and more recipes.